Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to find your Audible membership on Amazon, and I'm using a MacBook for this video. I've gone over to Google Chrome and signed into my Amazon account. From there, go over to your account, and then down here it says memberships and subscriptions. Click in there. And we can see that I am subscribed to the Amazon Prime membership and then also the Audible Premium Plus monthly membership as well. You can click in here. And then from there it says, "Hi Andrew, explore your Audible membership information and benefits below." And it also says, "Let's find your next listen." And you can just press this button and it'll take you to Audible. However, if you want to find out more information about your membership, you can come up here to the settings. And then we've got all of the different information that you might need. Like, you've been a listener since 2016, you've got 4 credits available in your account. This is your current membership status, the card that you're using to purchase, when you will be billed next for your account, and all of your purchase history as well. From there, guys, if you want to actually sign into your Audible account, just open a new window and then type in Audible. And then from there, you'll have to sign in the top right to actually get access to your account. So guys, hopefully this video has been helpful. If it has, I'd appreciate a like and subscribe. And if you do have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Thanks very much.